chipping, okay? And we know, everybody know that you can burn a clutch pretty quick. We don't have that. Hi everybody, again this is Daniel Godreau with Gyro-Trac. I need to explain what is the difference on the new chipper than everybody else. All in the tree care industry with their wood chipper, they all using only one drum, the chipping, okay? We have a completely a new concept. Twin drum, instead to chip, we peeling. See here, all the industry using only one drum, they chipping the wood like this, okay? Gyro-Trac again came up with a completely new concept, out of the box. We don't chip, we start first by peeling like this, and we chip after. Because of this new concept that allow us to eliminate the clutch and the belt, which is high maintenance. Now we're using hydraulic motor because everybody is using one drum. They need all the power that they can find it from the engine. That's why they're using a clutch and a belt. We don't. And we know, everybody know that you can burn a clutch pretty quick. We don't have that. All you have to do is full automatic. You start the engine, okay? When you're ready, you go up with the RPM and you start the chipper. And let's see how long it's gonna take to stop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything stopped. Maybe it is an advantage. The computer can decide when we stop the feeder or when we slow down the feeder. If you want a smaller chip, we can keep this a high speed. If you want a bigger chip, we can go a little bit lower on the speed before stopping the feeder. That will allow us to have this kind of product. That's why we said we peel and we chip. Look at that. If we go slow here, we can have a bigger chip. You can do pretty much everything you want with it. Now we have the 19 inches under 10,000 pounds. That's what the people wanted. And I guarantee you, if we say 19, you'll be able to chip 19. Guys, and don't forget the TCI show, the 6th November. We're going to present the 19 inches finally to cover the entire industry of the wood chipper. And guys, if you want more information, go on the website. And again, always the first, always the best. We're ready to take order right now. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.